P10, 55 laps.
Alright, y'all. Richmond, baby.
We need to follow car number 10 in the outside column.
Pretty fun in the cup last night here. Hopefully it'll be fun in these. These things actually get pretty loose coming off the exit. Let's see if we can have a good run here. One last drink of my drink, my coffee. Shouldn't be drinking coffee this late. All right. Be rolling off P10. We had a pretty long green flag run in the cup cars here last night, so I'm expecting that with these cars or these trucks, but remains to be seen.
Alright Wes, let's get this right, no fuck ups.
As long as we stay out of the mix, or the mess.
Green, let's go, let's go.
Inside, inside. Still there, still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line.
Get a pretty good run on the outside there.
Still there. Hold your line, still there. Still there. Hold your line, still there. Hold your
Ooh.
line.
The car in front is Duke's.
Still there.
Ran up the track a little bit. It's okay.
Still there. Still there. You are all clear low. Hold your line inside.
The leader has just done a 22.1. The guy behind has just done a 22.5.
Still there. Still there. Line. Hold your line. Still there, still there. Still there.
New fastest lap for long, 22.0, E9.
Don't want to do
Fastest
that.
lap. The guy behind has just done a 22.3.
Hold your line. Clear down low.
Full course caution.
Man, these are fun. Well, you can get a really good run on the outside. I like that. Got some options.
We're under caution, pits are closed, race car's out, line up single file behind car 18. Full course yellow, pits are
Didn't give me
open.
much space, but I don't think it really hurt anything. It was just a racing deal. No, you're fine. I'm really here for SR. I'm not really trying to race anybody. Plus, the PC's improved, so I was trying to just get out of everybody's way. But you didn't give me much space off the course.
Yeah, there's not going to be much space given here. Got a feeling it's going to be a pretty fun week here. Later on, me and Sam's he's gonna spot me in the Gen 4 cars at
Zero it, so I'm not angry.
North Wilkesboro. I actually expect that to go green too.
Pace car is out. Pits are closed.
Kind of like the outside here. Now, if we go green here, I will be playing with the brake bias. If we get some long green flag run, you'll definitely want to do that. Because as the tires burn off, it won't turn in as well. So, all right, we'll be starting on the inside, looks like.
Okay, Wes, get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
We can survive the restart here and get racing. I like having the crowds on. Turn the crowds on. I used to run with them off. Can't wait till I can get a pretty nice computer.
Green flag.
Outside, outside.
8th place.
Still there. Still there. Still there, still there. Still there. Line. Still there.
See if we can get the run into one here.
Hold your line, still there.
P7. That lap time was 22.7.
Still there. Still there. Still there.
Not gonna push
Clear
it.
outside.
We need them tires for later on.
Inside. Still there.
Let's give him
still
room
there.
down below.
Line. Still there. All clear inside. Inside. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there.
Man, I like the
Clear low,
outside.
Clear low. Got a car low inside. Still there. Clear inside. Inside. Still there. Still there. You're clear inside.
Man, we're getting some good runs
Lap
off that
time
high
was
side.
22.3.
Car inside. Hold your line. Clear down low. Got a car down low. Clear low. Clear low. Got a car outside. Still there. Clear outside.
Let's run that outside again.
Got a car down low inside. Hold your line, still there. All clear inside.
That lap was at 22.3. Okay, Wes, that's good consistency. Keep it up.
Man, look at the distance we're getting on them.
Or sorry if I came down the line. I don't know if I did or not. I didn't feel like I did.
That was
We're really getting the most out of the
22.4.
straightaways doing this.
The gap in front is now 0.8.
We're catching them too. Probably roasting the rear tires, but hey, we got to catch up. Well, leader's got a pretty good lead. we're gaining little by little.
The track temperature is increasing. It's now 84.
Here we go. I gotta go a little higher in 3 and 4.
That last lap was a 22.7. That's good consistency. Keep it up. Last lap time was at 22.8. That was at 22.9.
So I can get the run on him out of 3 and 4. I'll go for it, but it's not time yet. He's noticing my line.
Got a car to your outside. Still there.
Okay, Wes, that's half distance. You're looking good for fuel.
Clear outside. Got a car down low inside.
I got loose.
Line. Still there.
Should be able to beat him here.
Still there. You're clear inside.
P5. The lap time was at 23.0. You've just done a 22.9.
Now if we can catch this guy or not. Yeah, see, we're getting the most out of the speed there. Nope, didn't want to do that. But I'm racing hard.
P5.
can do that Highline, man. You can make it work.
You've just done a 23.1. Full course caution. Watch
Ah,
out.
man, that was fun.
We think that Wicketer has crashed.
Let's go get some tires.
Pace car is out. Line up single file.
Make sure we get
behind
them
car
checked.
number 03. We're under caution. Pit's closed.
When you talk about a slow pit lane,
Full course yellow.
I
Pits
think it's
are
like
open.
35 mile an hour. We're not going to put fuel in this time. We'll see how loose it is, and
The leader, long, is
40
pitting.
mile an
Inline
hour.
speed limit is
and if it's too
40 miles
loose,
per
next
hour.
pit we'll put some
You've got loads of
fuel
fuel.
in it.
Box in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
87, 89. Probably be a little easier on the right front, but it's not too bad, I guess. Dang, I spun them too much. Okay, looks like we kept our position. And it looks like
Pits are open.
yeah, it looks like all the leaders pitted. Man, that was fun.
Yes, sir. Good stuff. Sorry for getting into you when we were at 3.
All right,
You're good on that, everybody.
let's
Just don't-
change our brake bias a little bit for this run.
Pace car's coming in this lap.
You said that.
I said, you're good. You came across earlier when we were in that run. And I was loose coming off the turn and you just touched me a little. No worries.
Old Dakota's leading. He's a hell of a racer, man. He's always in the front in everything I run with him. No matter what series it is, he seems to be always at the front.
Oh, good. Don't worry about it.
Green, green, green. Let's go.
Got a car outside.
P4.
Still there, still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Clear out.
No, don't hit me.
Big rig, big rig,
Got a
big
full
rig.
course caution. Watch out.
Not sure why I got spun there.
Pace
Leave
car's
it to
out.
D.
Line up
Thompson
single
to do
file
that.
behind car number 16.
What did
Pace
he do?
car is out.
Overcorrect
Pits
it?
are closed. Full course yellow. Pits are open.
I think we're okay. We're gonna wait to pit. I think I'm okay. That was one of them right rear going into the outside wall. So somebody turned down into me. What lap was that? About 40, 39, 40. We'll have to look at that after. But we can't give up track position.
Pits are open.
Well, I don't know. The guy in front of me got loose. I went to the
We're
inside.
under
Next thing I
caution.
know,
Pits are closed.
got right reared. Looked like he saved it though, but
Dean saved. It looked like Dean got loose. They might have had it saved, but everybody was kind of, once he had checked up, it kind of just felt like everybody was running each other over there. And I don't know if everybody he ever had it saved or not. It just got very jumbled up. And then once somebody was spinning, we were all, it was just that basically everybody was there.
10-4. Hopefully we still got something to
Okay, Wes, get ready. Race will resume
race
at the
with
end of this
here.
lap.
Stop bullying Dean!
Well, at least we didn't, as long as we got a motor, we'll be alright. I mean, we did have to lock up the brakes, so I'm sure that took a lot of tire off. That's the only thing we really got to worry about.
Green flag, we're racing.
Got a car low inside. Hill there,
P8.
hill there. Clear down low.
We're going outside again. Seems to be working for us. Okay, we're still good.
Outside.
P7.
Outside clear.
Be careful, we've got a full course caution. All right, Wes, the next car is Samsung.
Okay. I would say we're still okay. Well, that outside here
We're
is
under caution.
freaking
It's
fast.
closed. Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number 09. Pits are open.
The trucks need more power. Things suck. Just need a gear.
Ten to go now. No, 9 to go now. Even though we got wrecked, at least we're still in it. I want to start getting into them open races again.
Full course yellow. Pits are
And
open.
get into the sit-ups. I can't believe we still was able to run with them.
We're under caution. Pits closed.
All right, we'll be starting on the outside. Let's get them.
start getting big, you start having shit out of you. At least you know you made it. Imagine having money.
Get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
If I had the fucking money, I would fucking put that shit in victory lane, bro. But I grew up poor, and I finally got iRacing, and I'm going to be the king of iRacing one day. I'm only into it 9 months.
Green flag.
Hold your line inside.
B6.
Still there. Still there. Still there.
Didn't get the run I wanted there,
Still
but
there.
maybe we can here.
Still there. Hold
Start.
your line.
Full course caution. Be careful.
Man,
Please, not do that.
what is going on now?
I at least want a chance here.
We're under caution. Pits are closed.
Nah,
Pace
that's my
car is
fault.
out.
I
Line
was
up single
trying to
file behind car
Get to the
number
outside and then
07.
started losing the rear and started washing up the track. It's my fault.
Pits are open.
Well, even though we've had these late cautions, man, it's still been a blast.
I really do not like Richmond.
It's a fun track if people stop.
Full course yellow. Pits are open.
Yeah, you go green, man. It's a real fun track.
I had a lot of fun with it in the next gen, the Gen 4, back when they were there, I think, last season. But, like, for whatever reason, whenever I'm in the truck here, I just really don't know what to do to be fast and not to kill my tires.
Pace car is out. Pits are closed.
You just gotta run people over. That's what the series is all about.
Man, you'll learn every time you're here. Yes.
Yeah, then it's 2 to go. From what I found, there's really no point in saving tires just because there's way too many cautions in this series.
Okay, Wes. Get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
See if we can somehow hold on to our spot and maybe get a top 5. We can get a good restart and get this outside line going. Alright, we get one shot at it. Hopefully we get to race it out. Like, we got a heck of a restart last one, but the guy in front of us didn't.
Green flag. We're racing.
Clear down low.
Push now. We can catch up here.
The car down low.
7th position.
Inside.
White flag. Last lap.
You are all clear low. Inside. Clear inside.
We might be able to get it off the...
Long is now leading.
Inside, inside. Still there. You're clear inside.
Oh, he got a good run down there.
Far inside. inside.
P6.
Clear low, clear low.
White flag, one more lap. That lap was a 22.7.
Oh, I overran it.
Inside. All clear
See, that's how
inside.
you put it.
Well, we might get it. Nope.
Inside. Clear inside.
Good race, good
Sixth
win.
place. There's the finish. Good drive.
At least we got to race it out. Good race. Good win, Dakota. All right, let's go back and look at
Good
that.
racing there, Adam. I thought I had you there. I just got loose off the course.
Yeah, thanks, Jake. That was fun battling you, bro. And thank you for a good win. Thanks.
All right, let's look at it. Lap 39, 40.
Nah, you did. You did. One, you did.
Okay, here we go. We're on the inside here. Kind of bump into him. That's just racing. And the truck in front of me gets loose. We get past. Oh, man. We had it too. He just bangs off of him. Yeah, there's nothing he could have done. I probably should have went way lower. If we'd have went a lane lower, we'd have made it through that.
Come here, Gab.
Well, hope y'all enjoyed that. That was fun. And we'll see y'all at the next track, next series.